Well, our watering line here was actually non-adjustable originally because we found that during relocation, the chicken's drinking water, if you delay it, the density below increases. So to relocate 1 week earlier, we implemented a modification. We cut the position of the conduit pipe for the watering line again, allowing the line to be lowered, making it adjustable. Therefore, in management, sometimes even such a small action, though it took some trouble and required manual labor, enabled us to relocate the flock 5 days earlier. For brooding, relocating 5 days sooner significantly improved flock uniformity, increased the slaughter rate, and reduced diseases like respiratory issues or Mycoplasma synoviae. These conditional diseases were avoided by reducing density through early relocation, greatly lowering the incidence of these illnesses.